already, my fellow chickens. I've just done the opening and closing to this VHS tape, which is Santa Claus, which is a really good movie, by the way. And yes, I know it's not Christmas, it's April, but hey-ho. And I have no idea why it says superheroes on the side, but pff, whatever. This is the don't know what's going on there. This is the 1988 release by Warner Home Video. Now, when I was doing the opening and closing, I actually heard a weird noise just before the Warner Home Video logo popped up. You won't be able to hear it in the opening, which I'm about to upload, but I thought I'd show you it now. So let me just unmute the TV, because I've had to put the volume up really loud. There we go. And just press play, you'll hear the sound now. Yeah, I'm not sure what that noise is, so let me just rewind it back to the beginning, see if you can hear it. Okay, there we go. There we are. Yeah, I'm not sure what that darling noise is. I mean, I've heard it in quite a few videos, but not like that. Right, I'm just going to put the volume down before it blasts your eardrums. I had to press stop before the Warner Home Video, you know, popped up and blasted everyone's eardrums and speakers and headphones and, you know, all that doodah. So yeah, I'm not sure what that noise was actually. Oops, sorry, trying to open this really stiff box. Here we are. But yeah, if anybody knows what that noise actually means, then do let me know. I'd love to know what it is. And yeah, I'm about to upload the opening and closing to this tape, so look out for that on my channel. But other than that, stay safe, stay beautiful. Me and baby chicken will see you in the next video. Bye!